welcome to Vlogmas day 3? I believe it's day 3. So, yeah, as I mentioned in the last one, post any Q&A questions you may have or any questions you have for me so that I can do a Q&A towards the end of this Vlogmas or whenever I feel like it. If there's so many questions that I have to put them in parts, I will. That'll give me some, that'll help. So yeah. And so these are, like I said too, these are going to be some uneventful Vlogmases because I can't really do anything because I have to work. So that being said, what I'm going to do, you're going to come with me to go take Nugget for his walk. That's about it. So I came home from work. I fed them already, and now we're gonna go do our nightly walk. So yeah, so let's just go do that. Come on. Yeah, let's try that again. All right, so let's just do that. So come on. Don't you just love the cheese? Okay, so not sure how well you guys can see me, but we'll check it out. It's dark. Nugget, wait, I gotta turn the camera around so you can see him. But we are going on our little walk, nighttime walk after work. So I'm just gonna show you. And there he is. There's the Nugs. So as he's a boy, walks, hi. Walks do not equal walks. It equals stopping every 5 seconds to mark the territory. Yes, you smell another one, I know. So yeah, so this is it. This is day 3. A lot of times there's some of the flats here, the townhomes will have the Christmas decorations up, but I don't see them yet, which is sad. I was hoping to show you, but that's okay. Our focus will just be on Nugget. Do. And yeah. Not much else to say. Stop and mark. Stop and mark. Whew, it's a little chilly here for Vegas. Although it's still the highs this week anyways, or at least, yeah, this week is in the 70s. That's just crazy. Usually by Halloween, it's already freezing cold, like desert freeze. So weird. I'm not complaining though. This is the weather I love. And here's one of the little stations, but I don't need it yet. All right, well, we're gonna complete his walk because he's got to do his, big business. I'm not gonna show that. And then once we get back inside, we'll do some chatting, I guess. All right, see you in a bit. Okay, let's go, come on. There's my welcome mat. Hey, Nugs, you ready to go inside? Okay. There we go, inside. Well, hi there, precious Moo. Yes, that's my 17-year-old boy. 17 and a half. All right, here is my dinner tonight. Probably looks weird, and that's okay. It is white rice, topped with 2 over easy eggs, and then topped with soy sauce and, well, there's butter in the rice, a little bit of butter in the rice, topped with soy sauce and some togodashi, which is like a spicy chili blend, and then some corn with some butter, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And then I've got, this lighting is not very good, but sorry. I've got some cut up tofu, and it's I just like to eat it cold like this, and it's just mixed with soy sauce, agave, Momo, garlic powder, a little bit of sesame oil, and then sesame seeds, and a tiny, tiny bit of togarashi as well. Momo, oh my goodness, what is it? My little old man. So yeah, this is my dinner, and I am so hungry, so I'm gonna go enjoy this right now. All right, guys, here we are for day 3 of the Christmas challenges. So for this one, here is day 3. I'm gonna open this up, see what we got. First up, got some more chocolate kisses. And now, let's see how much we're going to save today. Dun, 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 $3. All right, so $3 goes there. 1, 2, wow, I actually have $3. That's cool. And as I mentioned, I decided I'm not gonna count this because I honestly have no idea how much is gonna be in there. So we're gonna let that be a surprise, and we will count it at the very end, and that'll be a nice little Vlogmas thingy too. So there we go. Okay, so that's my advent calendar is what this is. Christmas Countdown Savings Challenge, day 3. So now, don't need all this, I already did those. Now we're gonna do Stuffmas, and this is by Budgeting April. And on this one, for day 3 here, first I roll a die, and it's gonna decide which of these envelopes it's gonna get taken out of. So, let's do that right now. Lucky number 4, which is, oh shoot, I keep forgetting. I go to work and I take all these out. So that's okay, they're still in order. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's gonna be my fun envelope. So my fun envelope, and then I'm gonna roll a die, and whatever it is times 2 is how much I'm gonna put in here. So 3 times 2 is 6. So we are gonna add $6, which means I need the green pen. How exciting. So I have no idea what I'm gonna be using either of these challenges for. I do have a little idea in my head, but I think I'm gonna wait until I'm 100% certain, and then we will go from there. Also, this is the first time I've taken any out of during Vlogmas. So this is day 3, and this is challenge. And this is $6. Okay, so $6. $6, which I don't have. So I gotta make change, and I don't have change in there. So I'm gonna have to look in here. Let's see what I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So I'll switch this. Oh, I gotta put a 5 in there too, dummy. Okay, these can go here. This 5 goes back in here instead of zipping it up. Oh, I didn't. Thought I zipped it up. Well, I'm still a dummy. Okay. Okay. And then now I'll take 5 and 6 to officially count it. I'll fill out that tracker later, or finish the tracker later. And on here, we'll count Stuffmas, why not? 5, 10, 11, we're currently at $12. So that's cool with that. And that will be it for the 2 Christmas challenges I'm doing just during Vlogmas. All the other challenges will go into the weekly savings challenges / stuffing. So, all right, back to the Vlogmas. Doot doot. All right, so hope you enjoyed this Vlogmas. That'll be the end of today. And now we'll have to see what tomorrow brings us, because just like you, I have no idea. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye.